Jason, the maintenance man here again. I have a work order for this light saying it's not working. So, nothing comes on. We've been having issues with these LED lights, so I'm going to have to change the whole thing. And then for all you new guys, I'm going to show you how to change these lights. They're very simple. And my friend, I told what I'm doing, making these videos even for new guys. He laughed, but he thinks it's a good idea. So he calls me Hollywood. He goes, you should change your name to Hollywood Maintenance. So from here on out, I'm going to go with, this is Hollywood Maintenance. First of all, make sure it's off, which I already did. Unscrew this. There's two. 1, 2. I'm going to loosen these. And in the meantime, I'm going to set this up, so bear with me. I know this is simple stuff for all the veterans. But time to get a new phone holder. Alright, hopefully it don't fall. Easier with two hands. So I'm going to loosen both of these a little bit. Pull it down. As you can see on here, it's over here. So after you loosen them, you just slide it up a little bit so you can pull it out. Three wires only on changing the light. One's green for ground and black and white. One's power, one neutral. Black's power. Got my new one, which has bigger capacitors here. Black on black. White on white. Just the way he took it off. Ground on the copper wire, green. Push these back in there. Look for the screw. There it is. Get it, twist it a little bit. Tighten it back up. Okay. This is the capacitor. Been having issues with those. They gave us some new ones. I told them I'll change them out as I go. See how these capacitors are much bigger? They're doing a lot better. It's supposed to be 10-year warranty. So the company gave me one, enough for every apartment I have. So now, test it out. There it is. do. See these grooves here? Put it right here. Twist it. There you go. That simple. Thanks for watching.